Questions 9 and 10 on the review go together. We've got someone buying wings and hot dogs for a Super Bowl party. A package of wings costs $10 and the hot dogs are $4 a pound, but he only has a budget of $40. So we need to create a system of inequalities. And let's let Y be the hot dogs and X be the wings. Okay, so we have, what was the second thing? We need to buy at least 3 pounds of hot dogs. So hot dogs are the Y, so Y's got to be at least means greater than or equal to 3. My cost equation is going to take X times the cost, so 10 times the number of packages of wings plus $4 times the pounds of hot dogs must be less than or equal to 40 because he only has $40 to spend. That makes up my system of hot dogs right now. List one possible solution. So I can't just plug in numbers here. I've got to actually graph this to solve. So on my x-axis, my package of wings, I'm going to mark it off 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Likewise for my hot dogs, I'm going to 1, 2, let's go by 6, 8, 10. So if I graph Y must be greater than or equal to 3, let's go ahead and do that in red ink. So this is the line right here, and it's solid because it's greater than or equal. So the equal part gives us the solid line, and we need to shade above it. My second equation, I've got to solve to put into Y equals so I can graph this. So I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. So I will have 4y is less than or equal to negative 10x plus 40. Divide everything by 4, and I have y is less than or equal to negative, I may simplify that, 5/2 x plus 10. So my y-intercept needs to be 10. And here we need to be a little bit careful when we go to graph this. So my slope is negative 5/2. So I'm going to come down 5, which is to here, and over 2. Remember the scales are different. So here's 5, there's 1, 2. Down 5 more, and over 2. So be very careful with your scales here. And I need to connect this. It is going to again be a solid line. So I'm just going to turn this to make it easier to connect. And let's see which side we need to shade. Y is less than, so I need to come under this. And the area where they both will be shaded then is in here. Up to and including the lines that border it. So one possible solution would be, let's buy 2 pounds of wings, so 2 wings, and 4 hot dogs. 4 pounds of hot dogs and 2 packages of wings. Of course, there's a lot more possible answers in here. Any point within this feasible region would work. I could have 1 package of wings and 7 pounds of hot dogs. I could do half. Could we do half a thing of wings? No, because we can't really buy half a package of wings. Mathematically, that would work though.